guys, and welcome back for another adventure. And actually I want to thank everyone for subscribing to the channel and for the support and help me reach the 50,000 mark. So come on, we can do it, we can reach 100,000 by summer. So yeah, right now today it's a good sunny day, so we're gonna go out and take out the jet skis and let's get wet. Now I noticed something, that every time I use the jet ski so far it's been $60. So I'm starting to think that I'm wasting more money in fuel with the jet skis than the boat, because the boat is $100 and I could go out 3 times. But when it's one of those days that it's hot and you feel like being refreshed, it's actually funner to take out the jet skis than the boat. So I guess I have to stop complaining and enjoy the fun.
Go on the other side so you can grab it. Yeah. He's in the back. Let's go.
Okay, now we're getting ready for the long ride. We're gonna actually head from Haulover all the way down to the Marine Stadium at Rusted Pelican. So if you guys are familiar, I think it's about 12 to 13 mile ride. But the good thing, we're gonna go through the coaster. But I saw my friend here.
¡Despiértate! ¿No te has retado? Oh, baja. Oh. Vamos, los vemos allá. What?
But before heading down south, I'm going to go ahead and cruise through the boats here and see what everybody's up to.
Can you just relax and enjoy the ride?
Well, we're out of the idle zone, so it's time to ride a little fast. And actually, there's a lot of boats and jet skiers on the water today. And I think it's because there's some event of some jet ski organization that are supposed to be meeting down south on one of the islands. So that's basically another thing why I'm riding down south.
Fast, too furious. Right.
That was super fast.
Let's there's no spot to go into. And it's funny, like ants.
Well, like you can see, there's a lot of jet skiers here. And I was trying to find a spot for the 2 jet skis, but it seemed kind of crowded. So I'm gonna go ahead and just ride around the island here and show you guys on the other side, because there's even jet skiers on the other side too, and boats. So I guess it's gonna be party.
All yours.
There's a lot of jet skis.
A lot of your jet skis. It's like 7 of them.
I guess the jet ski meet turned out good. I mean, I don't really know the organization that kind of organized it, but I seen it and my friend told me about it, so I figured let me just stop by and see, you know, how it is. But I guess it turned out great.
Oh my god, look at it.
Yeah, there's a lot of skis. It's like a bunch of ants. Put it on neutral or stop.
Neutral.
¿Quieres parar aquí un ratico?
Yeah.
Ah, bueno, let's go around the other side and then we'll go to the island. Huh? It's the other side.
Notice there's a lot of people here having fun on the island. This is like Hialeah, like I mentioned before in my other videos. This is the island right before Venetian Causeway if you're going south on the west side channel. But now we're gonna go ahead and find a little quieter place for us, maybe take a break and have a lunch. Okay, right now we're in a little small island right on the middle of Marine Stadium. If you guys don't know where Marine Stadium is, this is where the actual boat show it's done, but they actually removed all the docks and all the floating docks, so this is all the empty water. And yeah, I'm just gonna walk around, see what everybody's up to.
Oh, sand, this side. Oh yeah, there's sand on this side.
Now we're heading back up north to Haulover, but we're gonna take a different route. We're actually traveling right now next to the port of Miami, like you see all the container ships here. And it's like you notice the wind picked up and it's really choppy now.
Splash me.
Yeah, I mean, it's getting choppier, but actually the ski still rides pretty good. The only thing is that since the wind also picked up, when you do the splash, the wind picks up the water and actually makes you get wet even more. But still, it's a fun ride. Back at Haulover, and now we're cruising around the boat trying to see what everybody's up to and find a spot to maybe catch our breath, because the ride was about I say about 45 minutes. Yeah, like you notice, there's a lot of jet skiers here too. So I guess everybody decided to get wet today. Glad we stopped to take a break, because this is a harder workout than actually going to the gym. Because the thing is, riding a jet ski and holding your weight back, it's really hard on your hands. The best part for the kids, ice cream time.
Cotton candy. He wants cotton candy. Oh, go ahead. Want some? I want some.
And I did say ice cream for the kids, right?
Oh, yo. You happy?
Yeah, you happy?
That's all you know how to do is eat.
And it's been a fun day of jumping around on the jet skis and having fun, but it's time to head home.